Hello everyone. It feels so good to say this again. I'm back on YouTube after almost 3 years. If you've been a subscriber from before, thank you for sticking around. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. So yes, I've taken quite a long break from creating videos. Life got busy, work responsibilities increased, and I focused a lot on real Salesforce projects. But throughout those 3 years, one thought always stayed with me: I should get back to creating content and sharing what I learn. And today, that finally starts again. During this break, I've been deeply involved in hands-on Salesforce work, from admin tasks to automations, development, and troubleshooting. I've seen how people struggle with small, how-to things that aren't always clearly explained online. I also realized something important: you don't always need long theory videos. Sometimes, you just want a direct solution, like how to create a screen flow, how to write a validation rule, how to deploy changes, or how to fix an error. That's what inspired my comeback. So I'm launching a brand new playlist called How to in Salesforce. This series is going to be completely focused on practical, step-by-step tutorials. No fluff, no confusion, just straight to the point. These videos will be short, clear, and based on real use cases. This playlist will help you. Every video will be designed like a mini guide where you can watch, follow along, and apply directly. Since the channel is restarting after so long, your support is going to mean everything. So if you are excited about this playlist, do 3 quick things. 1. Subscribe if you haven't already. 2. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new videos. 3. Comment below and tell me which Salesforce, how to, you want first. Also, if you were one of my earlier viewer, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a welcome back comment or let me know what kind of content helped you before. So yeah, it feels amazing to be back, and I can't wait to start this new phase with all of you. The first video in the How to in Salesforce playlist is coming right after this one, so stay tuned and let's get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.